Imagine a world where your dreams of financial freedom become reality with just a single click. Introducing Blink, the AI-powered app that legally bombards your Amazon affiliate links to millions of active buyers, resulting in mass payouts with zero effort on your part. No more writing reviews, building websites, running ads, or dealing with SEO. Simply plug in your affiliate ID and let Blink's advanced algorithms do the rest. That's revolutionizing the way we approach affiliate marketing on Amazon. This innovative tool doesn't just open doors, it shatters barriers, allowing you to reach millions of eager buyers instantly without the traditional hurdles of content creation, website management, or complex marketing strategies. Picture this: no more late nights writing reviews, no more struggling with SEO, and no more waiting anxiously for results. This game-changing app empowers you to transcend limitations and tap into a vast ocean of opportunity. With a simple action as effortless as a blink, you can set in motion a cascade of success, watching in awe as payments flow into your account in mere minutes. Imagine watching the commissions roll in while you kick back and relax. It's like having a team of marketing experts working around the clock to maximize your affiliate earnings. Generate constant earnings daily on complete autopilot. Never write reviews or create websites. Automate your entire business with Blink and only work 2 minutes per day. All that it takes to send thousands of clicks to your Amazon affiliate links is just 3 steps. Step 1. Create your account with Blink. Takes less than 9 seconds. Step 2. Paste your Amazon affiliate link in Blink's intuitive dashboard. Step 3. Profit. That's it. You've finished your work, and now it's Blink's turn to do its magic. Within minutes, you can start getting a ton of clicks on your link super fast. We're talking thousands of targeted visitors in just a few minutes. And the best part? You can actually make some money from it too. Pretty sweet deal, right? Blink isn't just a tool, it's your passport to a new life of abundance and possibility. Blink comes with everything you need to success. It's time to leave behind the old ways and embrace a future where your success is limited only by your imagination. Are you ready to take that leap, to transform your life? The future is here, and it's waiting for you to seize it and watch your world change. Hit the link below to watch Blink in action now.